Hello, 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 good family. Good morning, everyone. How are you doing, guys? Okay, this family today, they are two only. There used to be 4, 5. I don't know where all of them gone. Come this side. Come on, come on. How are you guys doing? Good, everything? Well, I'll give them some food over here. Come on. Have it. This one particularly doesn't like pedigree, but that one like, because he's having habit of eating pedigree since childhood. Have it. It's okay. No problem, no problem. Hey, I'm not harmful. Okay, have it. You know, they're very scared. Actually, that puppy, that one. And I don't know where they have gone. There has to be like 4, 5 dogs over here. And adult dogs used to be 3. And 2 puppies, this one and 1 more. I don't know where they have gone. Okay, just you eat. Okay, I'll put some more. Then he'll eat that. Oh, don't be scared. Okay, that would be enough for him because he'll alone eat this because she's not eating. Okay, I'm moving towards some other dogs. What happened? Good morning, everyone. You guys are doing good? Oh, they're growing so faster, you know. They were very small. These 3 actually. This one, and the black one actually. They are not their age. Black one is not their age. Black one is I think Shakira's age only. Yeah, as you can see. And there has to be 2 more adult dogs, including this one. And these 3 puppies over here. There has to be like almost 7 dogs over here, but I don't know where the rest of the 3 actually. Yeah. Alright, so you guys are hungry? Want some food? Okay, actually these balls which I have brought is tight, you know. It's better I will not give them in balls today. The lab pedigree. Okay, over here, this side also. You want some? This mama doggy actually she doesn't like pedigree or anything like that. Only if I bring some chicken, that day she will eat. Otherwise, the rest of the day she will sacrifice all the foods to the puppies and other dogs. You know, mothers are actually precious. They sacrifice everything. Actually, in each and every species, mothers are priceless. Hey, don't fight. No, they started fighting. No, actually the mama doggy thought that cow would be bad. Not terrible, no, but no. The cow is not harmful for them. Poor cow. He's trying to find out some food actually, because over here, you know, there are lots of stray dogs as you can see everywhere. So they try to find out some food over here and there, and they go to the dustbin box or dustbin area to find out some food. Also, see, there are some vegetable vendors over here. Sometimes what happens, they try to okay, look at that person who is trying to cheat. Oh, he's biting. Look at that person. He's just chasing the cows. Means by. Okay, that person is okay. I'll explain why he's doing that. That person is a vegetable vendor, and as I told you that these cows are very hungry, and to find out some fruits, they come over here near the vegetable vendors. And okay, let me show that person is here. He's chasing the cows over that side, so that the cows don't come over here and they don't eat their vegetables. This is so pathetic. Actually, the cows are so hungry, and oh, look how interested they are. You're hungry? Oh, eat that, honey. Eat that. Well, I have brought only pedigree today. Alright, I'm moving towards some other dogs now. Bye bye. Oh, but the person is chasing the dogs also. I don't know what's wrong with him. What's his problem? Look, he's that side and he's trying to chase the dogs also. This is literally the worst thing he can do ever. Look, he's chasing them. Okay, let me talk to that person. Why he's chasing the dogs? Dogs don't create any problem over here, but the problem actually they can create means if the customers comes, they may chase the customers, or the customers can get actually scared of dogs. So that can be the reason. I'm not sure, but yeah, let me talk to him. But if I talk to him, he will start argument, and let's see what happens. And there are lots of vegetable vendors over here, and I'm alone over here, so I'll not be able to make argument properly with them, because all of the people, they will attack me. All those people means there are lots of vegetable vendors over here. Look, he's having stick in his hand and he's trying to chase, but because I'm over here means he's not coming over here. Once I'll move, he'll come over here and he will chase the dogs over here. These people are actually ridiculous. He's on that side. He didn't come over here, but he had chased away the mama doggy. That side she's coming again. Okay, so that's the matter. Well, I'm almost in Tina's family, and look at them, all of them over here with me. I tried harder to stop them. Oh, look at them. Hey! Oh my god, everything is very messed up over here now. Hey! Move! Go! Hurry, go! Go! Oh, they're scared actually. Look at. Go! Go! Look at them, they're so protective, it's terrible. Hey, go, all of you, go back. Go. Oh, that one is so scared, and he peed over there, look. Hey, you go back, all of you go back. Here's speed over here because hey, move. Move. No, hey, go back, all of you. Okay, let me handle that. Well, I'm crossing the road now to go to Tina's family. Okay, look, there's no sun still in the sky because it is already the morning, but people have already started their daily life. This is life, literally. Actually, this place becomes very busy at the very early morning. Oh, Paul has seen me and he's coming to me. Hello, Paul. Good morning. Okay, as you know, over here there's a bus stand. Over here there's a government hospital. Over here there's a railway station. This is a center place, and that's why the place becomes very busy at the very early in the morning. Okay, I have reached already over here in Tina's family. Paul is over here, as you have seen. Now let's see where the rest of them. Rock, Tina, Rock, Tom, Tina. Oh, where are they? Rock. Hey, Paul. Where are they, honey? Did you see them? Come on, come this side. Rock. I don't know where are they. So, Paul, where are they? Come on. Come this side, Siri. Come. I'll give some pedigree over here. Come. Paul doesn't like pedigree actually. He literally doesn't like pedigree. Only if I give him chicken and biscuits and yeah, sometimes rice. He likes if he's hungry very much, then only. Tina, Tom. Oh, let me check out them. Where are they? Nobody's here, and nobody's coming outside also. What's wrong? I hope everything is fine with them. Let's see. Alright, after calling again and again, Tina has come outside, but Rock is still not coming outside. Rock as well as Tom are not coming outside. Let me try. Let me go upstairs and let me check out how are they and what are they doing, why they are not coming. Let me check over there. Rock! Tina, let's go. Let's check. Where is Rock? Why is not coming? Rock! Let's go, everyone. Tina, move. Pups are sleeping over here, Tina's pups, as you can see. Where is Rock, by the way? Wait, Tina, wait, honey. Tina is hungry. Rock! Oh my God. I hope nothing bad has happened. Rock! Oh, he's here. Tom and Rock. Hey! Tina! Don't say it. Tina! Don't say it. Rock, come here. Come, honey, come. Oh, my sweet Rock. Actually, Tom and Rock, both of them were at that side. Oh, honey, I was tensed actually. I was very tensed. I thought, where is Rock? Why Rock is not coming outside? You know, I was very tense for you, Rock. But thank God, finally you came outside, and I'm so happy for that, for you. Okay, Tom, that side Paul, and this is our beloved Tina. This is our beloved Rock. It's okay, sweetie. It's okay. Okay, okay. Oh, oh, oh. Aha! Look at him. Okay, all of you, let's go down. If anybody see that I am over here on the terrace and I'm just playing with you or I'm spending time with you, that would be really very bad thing. So you need to move on the on the downstairs. Let's go. Rock. Oh, my baby. My baby boy. My Rock. My sweetheart. I love you, Rock. I love you, honey. Oh. I was very worried for you, you know. I didn't find you first of all. Then I was worried. Okay, let's go downstairs, everyone. And I'll give you pedigree. I brought pedigree for all of you today. Okay? Fun? Let's come on. Let's go. Rock, come on. Come, honey. Okay. Let's come. Everyone. Oh, Rock, move. Let me walk, honey. Oh, look at him. Let me walk. We'll go downstairs and I'll give you food. Let's go. Let's go, all of you. Rock is very excited. He's a small boy, you know. Oh, it's okay. Okay. Oh my God. Also, not only excited. Hey, Tina, stop being so rude, Tina, I'll beat you up, Tina. Don't mess up with Rock. No, Tina, do not do that. Let's go, Rock. Everyone, all of you, come on. Let's go, Rock. Rock is hungry actually, you know, because he doesn't get any food. Okay, they are sleeping over there. I'll be back soon. Slowly, Rock, slowly. All of you, slowly. Slowly. Oh, let me. Okay, let me close the gate first. Otherwise, people will come and they will shout, you know, that why I have opened the gate and all, blah, this kind of stuffs. I have to face, so it's better. Okay, honey. You're a good boy. Okay, come, everyone. I'll not make them late now. Hey. Wait. Actually, pedigree is very expensive, you know, very much expensive. So if I buy pedigree and if I want to give them full stomach of pedigree, then in 2 to 3 days. Over here, Rock. You come over here, honey. You don't eat from here. Rock is also eating pedigree. Come this side, honey. Over here. This for you. Go there. That's for you. Oh. Good boy. Tom and Tina. Eat here. Don't fight. Okay? Alright. Paul is on the terrace. He didn't come down. Also, he will not be interested in having pedigree. So, let it be. Let him be over there. You know, on the terrace there is a very good storage of water. I will show you if it is possible. And from that storage of water, actually storage means this is a restaurant, as you know. So over here people used to use cooler or you know, something like that. So that's why they store water over here. There, as you know, that using cooler and this kind of things, you need to you know, use water and all. Oh, look at Tina's tummy. Oh my god, poor Tina. She needs a lot and lot of foods. You know, look how skinny she has become. Ah, she has finished so fast. Tom is eating still. Well, I'll give more, Tina. Eat, honey. As much as you can eat, I'll give you. Don't worry. On the other hand, our beloved Rock is eating. Tina has finished. I'll give some more to her. She needs a lot of food. So, hey, all of you, no. Over here, all of you. Tina. Tom. Tina. Okay, as you can see. Hey, Tom. Don't. Are lazy na? Hey, Tom. Don't. No. Actually, there's a lady. Hey. There's a lady and Tom is trying to shout bark on that lady. She needs some water. You know, people take water from here actually. Even I can't give them permission, or I can't say them no to, right? Because it's not my place. And yeah, so I said her, like, you can carry on. I will just handle the dog. Hey, no. Hey, Tom, stop. Tina, finish that. Finish that. And what about Rock? Rock is eating. Okay, so let's check out the puppies. How are they?